Okay, today we're presented with a rattlesnake who's been accosted by humans and he's had his tail yanked away. So we're going to sedate him, see if we do some minor surgery, and see if we can get this guy back out in the wild. I have already been cussed out by my partner and a few employees. They're volunteering to euthanize this guy, and of course that's not my philosophy at all. Anyway, let's just see if you can follow me over here a little bit more. We have our safety equipment. This is our catch pole and bag, complete with tube, and there's our gentle giant handles. So we don't do a lot of this, but I've actually been certified as a poisonous snake handler or a hot snake handler, and so it's one of the things I'm going to do. So in other words, somebody that put me in school would say, "What are you doing with the video in your hand?"
They're taping the door.
They're taping the door. That's funny as hell. Okay, so. Anyway, phase one, I'm going to catch him up, put him in the bag, tie the top of the bag all up, and then from there we're going to put it at the bottom. He's eventually going to go from the inside of the bag into the tube. Once he's in the tube, then I can actually pump some isoflurane to him, get him under anesthesia, look at his tail a whole lot better, and do whatever surgeries that I've got to do. So the mission is, if you were a snake, it would look like this. Please don't put me in the bag! No, not the bag! Anyway, somewhere at the bottom of that bag is the tube. Once he tries to escape out the tube, then we can actually control him and he can't double back and bite us. And it's an awesome apparatus. So I don't know who invented this over there at the snake place, but it's a good idea. Alright, so there's that. Here's Snake. We're going to get busy. And because I'm playing with a hot snake, I will not be taking a whole lot of video during this.
Doug's got it.
Doug's got it, alright. And the man is on the film. Dun 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 dun. All right, stop it. All right, later. All right. This guy actually had his back end crushed. We may get some X-rays too while we're at it. Anyway, but you can see the tear of the skin right here. So we're going to suture this back together. Same thing on this side here. We'll take it from there. But anyway, our buddy here is inside of his tube.
Snoozing.
Thank you, ARAV, for all the training you've given me. And we'll get him sutured up. Oh, he still has his button. Okay, so he'll still be able to produce his rattles and his warning system for the next humans that come into his life. All right, very cool. All right. Ordinarily, I sit around and take videos of some of these wild patients waking up, but this guy's going to take a while, so I am going to do some other things in the meantime. But anyway, He was presented for some trauma to the caudal tail region. Approximately right there is one fractured vertebrae. My guess is whatever shovel or equipment camera can and cutting across right here broke one of the vertebrae, crushed some of the soft tissue. As you can tell by the sutures that we have on both sides, there's actually we've done as much as we could to repair the soft tissue part. Now that it's back together again, Mother Nature and the God of infinite wisdom will do its best to heal the rest of it. It's going to have some problems pooping for a while. And I definitely think this guy should be on some sexual rest. Don't you think?
Yes.
Yeah.
Probably a good idea.
You handled that better than I thought you were going to. Anyway. I'm still cleaning up. Not my act, just
Crap,
the
my
area around the snake.
Sorry, that's my job.
Anyway, our buddy here is now getting some fresh oxygen, getting the expensive air. And as soon as he starts to move, we will remove him from the tube and put him back in this thing. And I was hoping to get that on video, because that would just be awesome. I know right now my wife and friends of hers and other people who just are snake haters are looking just going, kill it! Put the shovel right there! Shovel!
He's waking.
Moving at that end?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, maybe we'll get it on video.
Well, I want it on video too.
No, you can't get it on video.
Why
Only one
not?
of us can do video at a time.
Okay.
Oh no, we're breaking the rules.
Nope, I'm just on Facebook. Doing CPR.
Is that what that is?
Not mouth to mouth.
Thought you were sleeping.
That too.
He's holding him at that end.
Oh, Kanan's growing new feathers.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Wow.
2 of them on the tip. So, that's good news.
Yeah, just wish you had that bone left over.
Yeah, I know.
Anyway, Kanan is the bald eagle, which I tried to upload yesterday and it wouldn't go because it was too large.
I've been having problems with YouTube myself.
I'm not supposed to. I mean, I've got the. They tell me I'm past that golden mark. I could put more than 15-minute videos on there, but every time I try, I keep telling me I'm crazy.
My first video I loaded was 24 minutes.
Really?
Huh. Well, I am Doug and Jackie.
You know, we're not supposed to using names on these things.
Oh,
You
sorry.
could have a stalker. It'd be all my fault.
Doug Pay Bojecki Snay.
Our buddy's respiratory rate is actually picking up.
No, Ugday. That's what it is.
Ugday.
Ugday Ojecki.
Day. Ojeki pay.
Our videos are so stupid.
It's sad to have this much knowledge and this much skill and keep going back to your high school days.
High school.
Self's giving us credit. I'd 4 to 5 mils. Make it 5. You're welcome.
Why is he taking so long?
Oh, it takes a while. It didn't happen overnight.
I absolutely love snakes.
Of course, if we keep stimulating them, it may happen a little bit faster.
I don't like trouser snakes. Did Miss ever tell you about that?
No, I do not know
When we
anything
first
about you and
started-
Missy's trouser snake
No,
story.
never.
You sure you want that's on YouTube?
Oh, I forgot you were recording.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't bad.
There we go. Here we are, the Rattlesnake tube cam. Dude, don't do that. That ain't even. I'll tell you, when you see this on screen after you've done that, you'll be impressed. Someone has just soiled their underwear thanks to you.
Now you're gonna have the underwear soiling cam.
So, this is the hot snake tube cam. There you go. God, that's beautiful.
I don't get a hug?
I couldn't even touch the things that grabbed that snake. I couldn't even touch the container that the snake is in.
It's not bad. So smooth.
Is it dead?
No, sleeping.
Should be dead.
Listen to this.
You really feel that way?
No, don't kill me. No.
We must teach our
It's-
young the correct way, Dr.
I'm
Ann.
not a horta. No kill ah.
I felt the same way when I was younger.
See you later, snake hater. All right, we're gonna test his riding reflexes. Rolled him over on his back. That's actually a little bit on the thin side. You able to find the heart every. I not see you. Where are you?
I hope it's not dead.
Nah, still with us. The breathing is a good sign. Alright. Patience is something I don't have a lot of today.
Doug's gonna put his camera right here and leave it.
I'm not sure move that. My wife's gonna go, what are you doing? Well, I guess letting him breathe a little bit would be nice. So, oh, respiration rate. He's starting to move. Oh, no. No, not the belly.
He's not gonna move now.
Get you, get you, get you. Oh, yeah, he's about to wake up. Still quite responsive. Oh, big breath. That's it.
Oh yeah. Sweet. What are you guys doing? Man, snake heaven?
Why is everything upside
I
down?
thought there'd be more rats and squirrels. Did it look cool whenever I shot it forward a little bit?
Yeah, it did. It was actually pretty cool.
If I would have told you, it would have ruined it.
That's true. That is true. That should heal pretty well. Still got some pinks
I can't
exposed.
believe it
though.
has a heart on its mouth.
A heart on its mouth. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Missy always says there's always a heart marking on the ones that need us most.
There you go, Missy. There's the heart.
There's another big breath.
Missy, I heart you. I heart you, my little Missy.
No, right there. See
Which
the-
one are you
the
seeing? Oh, you
pure
seen the
white?
one? Oh, that is cool too. Yeah. There you go. Hey, Terry, look. I hurt you. I hurt you, honey. The running reflex is happening. Slowly but surely. No, get back over. No. The world is not supposed to be in that direction. And here we go. Our buddy's gonna wake up now.
That is awesome. That reflex comes before they wake up.
Mm-hmm. Yep, respiratory rate's picking up. Look at that. Oh, big one.
They just look like
Head's
velvet.
starting to move.
Oh, it's just
Tail's starting to get up. Dude's like, I got a headache. Somebody slipped me a Mickey.
They're in the roofie.
Alright, this guy's about ready to put him back in his cage. Alright, here we go. Alright, Doug, cover us up.
Awesome. Thanks, Doc.
You're welcome.